Hello. Oh, now I could see that I have something. Sounds unbelievable, but looks like I'm live finally. So I explored some option to start the stream using my mobile phone, but it's nice that it already started in my usual way. The only thing that give me 1 second. Interesting. Okay, it says it live, but yeah, my mobile phone didn't catch it. Okay, okay. I don't know what's going on. Looks like I couldn't see myself, but hopefully it would be recorded. Also, my computer. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry. Bless me. So, interesting effect. Every time I try to start stream on my phone, it stopped immediately. And here I was able to connect some camera, but it was quality. Yeah, I'm not able to see myself anywhere like live, really live. So yeah, let's hope YouTube somehow handles that. It says that my bitrate is too small, so sorry. Again, I thought that at my work, normally I have proper connection to everything, but looks like not to live streaming. Maybe for live streaming I need to order special connection of it. So yeah, maybe even if I could connect to my mobile network, it would be faster. But yeah, also I have some guesses that maybe my computer somehow blocked some streams because really it's super slow. I couldn't get config of any of my devices. That's why it looks pretty ugly. So yeah, okay. Anyway, let us make it really short and I'll do my best. Next time I will be at work. I'll try to do, yeah, the better experience. I'm really not sure what's going on. Maybe I need to take another computer. My normal notebook would be pretty heavy, so maybe I could pick up one of the small mostly netbook, but I hope it would be nice for streaming at least. Okay, so I tried to solve all the issues so long that I completely forgot about what I want to talk. I remember that we started from scratch the project around how to build some cool project. Nowadays, with help of ChatGPT, and which would be pretty helpful and not small, like YouTube integration and downloading videos, transcribing them, do some intelligent work based on transcriptions received, like titles, description, keywords, and so on. Maybe even thumbnails generation, maybe shorts, ideas generation, and then try to update it also automatically or semi-automatically, at least after some review or something or some approve. So yeah, it was the idea, and we already slightly moved with it. Yeah, don't see anything working. Nice. Okay, anyway. So, and we will continue once I have at least some confidence that we have good stream capabilities, because I even thought, okay, even I have different computer, maybe I could try go again under romantic developer stream and create some task, and we could have some initial round of conversation with ChatGPT about approaches we will choose. So we will describe our project idea to it and see if it could suggest us how to what to use to execute all of that stuff, because it's understandable that we have like web interface, but the pretty long uh, timed tasks like like transcribing something, like executing LLM models. LLM model itself could be pretty fast, but if you will provide a lot of context to it, like full transcript, and ask returning something large, it could also take a good amount of time to apply. So maybe you can wait, or maybe you could just, and we have no intention to wait. We want to automate it, so it should be some background process about. Yeah, I'm thought about Azure Functions, because it was before for some task like that. Before Azure Functions, it was like Windows Services, which executes um, continuously and could pick up some change from files or from database. But later it was replaced in with Azure Functions with some trigger options. Maybe there is something else. Again, I'm pretty behind of modern technologies. Um, I could remember some technologies like assembler, like C, Object-C, Basic, Pascal, Delphi, and so on. So very old languages as well, like Lisp, Prolog. But yeah, if we talk about the most recent .NET frameworks, mm, even I use .NET SDK 8. I don't know all the features it supports, because I have no time to catch up and actually no reason to do that. maybe it would be some reason to create a cool prototype. But now again with ChatGPT, if you know programming well, you probably don't need to jump into specificities of each language constructions, especially if you want to build some prototype and not really care about super cool performance, efficiency, and so on, because you could adjust it later. You need prototype, something working, and then you could do something to minimize the cost and so on and so on. Interesting. Give me a second. What if I'll disconnect completely? So I disconnected from. I'm restarting YouTube on my mobile phone because yeah, it shows that it's live, but I really don't see what is live. And it's slightly disturbing when you like, oh, come on, what's going on? Yeah, so maybe I have too small bandwidth, even if it show from my side, from my computer side, there is no drops for no drop frames, but same the same time I couldn't see my stream. I couldn't see my stream from anywhere. So yeah, I'll look into that and hopefully could resolve it. Also, I see that my micro should be pretty overexposed. Yes, over high. Okay, now it should be slightly more better. It's that mic is here, so I try to use it. My phone, my headphones as mic. Okay, and I also thought that, okay, I just took external camera. Maybe it would be better. No, it's not better, and I couldn't switch on my internal camera anymore. Oh, okay. So that's the idea about our next stream. And, and for maybe for reflections. I just want to see it more comfortable. Yeah, we changed order. I thought I would talk about reflections initially and then we do some programming work. But no, today I have few bright ideas about some things which I want to try in my free time. The problem is that I don't have a lot of free time, but probably it's because of my not good time management. And as we talked, time management is uh, really depends on human energy levels and other things. So I started to take some organization at home, at my finance, but again, I haven't finished nowhere yet. Anyway, I feel that I'm slightly more calm and energized, but at the same time, I see that any new events of uncertainty, of like when which brings some uncertain things about my future, actually consume a lot of my energy. So I couldn't just go with the flow as we speak about. And because of it, and yeah, you not always should go with the flow, but in some you should just choose what are the most important things where you shouldn't go with the flow. And maybe for other things which are not so important for you, just go with the flow to not lose a lot of energy. So if you couldn't impact some events, it's no worry at all. If you could impact some events, maybe you should try. Even that could be energy consuming. I'm talking from my experience. When I need to take a phone, a call, and try to solve something, especially when I know it's not an easy issue and I need to spend a lot of time, a lot of effort, I try to postpone it, and it's consume more and more my energy because I couldn't stop thinking about it in my some free time, bedtime, whatever. So yes, it's not so nice. Yes, and for all of those problems, I don't have a good answers right now, even for myself. I know that sometimes start something is pretty big effort, even if it's as simple as, just start streaming. I know by myself, so maybe one day it's fine, 2 days it's fine, but if it's go day after day, you have a lot of questions to yourself. What are you doing? Why are you doing? What's the reason of what you're doing? And so on and so on. And normally when you start some things, they not work out immediately. It's not something you start your project, your company, etc. And okay, next day you're full of clients, you're rich and so on. No, it's not work like that. As well as you decide to make shape of your body better, or sit on some diet, or start doing some exercises every day, it will not bring you results in one day, even in 1 week. Maybe you could notice something in 1 month, but most probably the result wouldn't be as huge to motivate you. So you should find something more which will motivate you to not stop doing that. I'm still thinking that maybe I could see my stream, but no. As I click play, and yeah, I see that something is streaming, but mm, for some reason it immediately stops. I never saw such behavior before, so maybe my stream is really lagging, or it lagging in my location only. So I'm not sure. Yeah, sorry for that stream issues. I normally you shouldn't see them at all, but it's also a lesson for others. Even like software developers could have issues with the software, with computers, with their speed, with their efficiency, and so on. So don't blame yourself if you have some technical problems and couldn't resolve it, because many people have them, and even those who should solve it immediately, like me. And yeah, I'm still struggling a lot from those connections, streams, setups, etc. And yeah, especially if something stop working as it should work. Yeah, of course you have some questions. So Yeah, don't blame yourself, and probably I will wrap up this thing, and hopefully it would be viewable in recording. So maybe you could see some helpful thought, maybe supporting thought for yourself. Who knows? Okay, as usual, I will wish you a very good time of your day, night, day, morning, or evening. And the main thing is to be in harmony with yourself, with the world. Yeah, give others some of your warm and heartful energy. Bring, yeah, have acceptance of all the situations and how people are around you. Try to be calm, graphic. It's other word for global. And yeah, don't blame yourself or others and just live and don't forget about your dreams. I think that would be a nice wish, and I'll see you in my next streams, which I have more than 80. See you.